Hello everyone, welcome back to the other bootcamp from Smarter. This is Lokesh, your mentor. So, what else? How many of you are presenting this second time? How many of you are present in the last bootcamp? Just comment me so that I can just recall all your names. I can see few people here who are having Pooja. Yeah, you are. I know you are. Roshni, you are. Okay. Only two candidates, huh? Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Only two candidates I can see. Just type your name first time, okay? Don't worry. From here on, you will be continuing our boot camp regularly. Hi, hello. I was present. Yeah, Roshni, I know you present. You are one of the activist members. First time, no problem. You will be continuing from this time. Yeah. Come on. See, I see 61 people live, but only 28 likes. Increase the like count. Yeah, 30. Next. See, by seeing your likes, I'll be boosted up and I'm gonna give you the more content. If you need more content, more energy, and more fun, subscribe, like, and increase my energy. Okay, first time, no problem. No problem, Sheikh. You will be continuing from here. Yeah, Ravi, even you will be continuing. Okay. Hello. Hi, Ishita. So let's wait for a few more minutes. Let others join because Okay. Hello. First time. See, I just want to tell you one thing. Whoever the first time, you will be continuing from here. You can ask my previous members who have joined the boot camp. They are getting more fun here. Apart the coding, apart these things, we will be discussing a lot of other things as well, which can help you. Okay. Before I start, let's just whoever are present, just give me a small glance about React.JS, whatever you know. Like what is React.JS? What are the languages we use? Anything? Yeah. Mm, yeah, the session will be the same time daily, and there will be an attendance link as well in the description or in the chat. By the end of the session, whoever fills the chat, you will be getting notifications every day. What are and every boot camp also you will be getting the notifications. Okay, hi. Use for front end development. Okay, then JavaScript. Okay. The language. Yeah, you are right. Then hello. Yeah, it's a platform. Yeah, it's a platform. Then what else you know? Frameworks are okay. Hi. Yeah, hi. Where are Java? Okay. No, actually it's JavaScript. Okay. Then JavaScript library. Okay. Bharat, it's not Java, it's JavaScript. It's two different language. Java is our other language and JavaScript is another. Use for server. No. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna take the answer here. Okay. Please start sessions. Oh, you need session directly. Oh, great. Okay. So, Java is a JavaScript library originally developed by Facebook, and yeah, it's a framework JavaScript. Okay, and it was developed by Facebook. It helps us to build high engaging single page web applications. Okay, so what are single page web applications mean? building interface, user interface, and web applications quickly. And or what things are we ready? Get ready. Start the session. Yeah, I'm starting, buddy. Just give me your time. Yeah, continue with me throughout the sessions, throughout the boot camp, and I'm gonna take you through the basics, and I'm gonna get you some good knowledge on React.JS. How can you install? How can you set up? How can you run an React application? How can you develop? And in this in this boot camp, we're gonna learn how can we develop an simple web applications. All these things we're gonna develop in this 5 days boot camp. Yeah, hello. So we were where am I? Yeah, so it's a single page web applications. So single page web application main. So anyway, let's start. Okay. Uh, Fine. We'll come back to the comments again. It's 1 hour session daily. Okay. Okay, done. Let's come back. I will be back to the comments. Let's start some session part. So yeah, so single page application is nothing but one time loader. Whatever the you see in mobile applications, if you start using it, will be shifting the screens or it will be using. So it's like single page application. These are like single page. In the same way, you can see Facebook. Facebook also a single page application. Like in the same way. So if you go, I'm a beginner, no problem, Bharat. Even though you are a beginner, you will be getting a good knowledge here. So it's only it load only once, and the other part, whatever the functions and whatever the other screens that we're gonna do, all this will be done by JavaScript. So that's what called a single page application. Then Java is also helped in see to build a website. It's a complex part. Well, you have to recode every single part again and again in every single page. So this JavaScript helps us to make the components. Just break the complexity of UI, make a simple components, and we can use the same components. We can use the same components in any website or any place in the website. So this is how the Java script is in a simple way, and it's a high demanding language or the platform which is used in web development. And yeah, so let's quickly jump into the system and let's see. So let's start. How can we install that? So in the screen you can see it's a website from Smarted. So this is Lokesh from Smarted, and whoever you can just go through the website, see the other course that we are providing here, and you can connect us. You can connect us by the phone number or mail that is provided in the contact us page. Here you see, and our team gonna reach you there. So yeah, let's start our session. So to install or to start with the React.js, what we need exactly is the first one is virtual code, virtual studio code. To install it, just click on VS Code, VS Code. Download Windows 10. It's Windows 10 for me. If you are Windows 11, you can go with that. First link. Click on the first link, and no worries, all the links will be provided in the chat box by the end of the session. And whoever fills the attendance form and whoever completes the uh, formalities that's posted in the descriptions, you will be getting a code with the links, everything. All materials will be given to you through the mail. So once you click here, you can see a Windows one. You click on here. If you are Mac or any other, just go to that particular one. Here you can see it start downloaded. It's once it's start a complete download, you can just click on run with an administrator, next, and you will be getting this beautiful interface like this. This is how you're gonna get in the beginning part. So let's close this. Let's open a new folder. So here you can see how can we start, how to install all these things. This is the server code. Yeah. So to once we got installed with the Virtual Studio, just click on next, and here you will be getting this once it's done. And please do follow this what I'm doing, so that you can continue with me in the upcoming sessions as well. So once you are done with the Virtual Studio, now we have to download Node.js. So to download Node.js, just go to the browser, click Node.js, install, download Node.js file, click on Windows. If you are having Mac or any other, you can just click on them. So once it's done, you can see the install is installed. Yep. Once it's got installed, you can click you can run this through administrator. I want, like, I'm just gonna show this one for you. I guess you can see the screen. One sec. Yeah, here it is. So once you got this, just left click on run with administrator. Yes, and then you will be getting a pop-up with an installation screens. Then click on next, and it will be finished. The Virtual Studio will do all the things whatever the necessary there. Once even Node.js, the same thing. Once it's done, you can do the same thing. I guess you got your mind. So once it's done everything, you will be getting this beautiful screen, Virtual Studio. Then once the Node.js is also done, you just, to make sure everything is set up perfectly, just go to Windows PowerShell. Open PowerShell. uh can you see my screen, PowerShell and all, or you are still in this? Okay, just make sure you see that. Once again from the beginning. Okay. Okay, it's nothing much happened. Just we have installed Virtual Studio Code from the Chrome, or then we have installed Node.js. All the links will be provided in the description. You can go through that, and if you fill the form, you're gonna get mail as well. And I'm just opening this PowerShell. Yeah, so you have to go to your PowerShell. Once you are here, just click. Once the setup is Node version, so you can see if the setup is done, you can see this particular message, like v16, it's a version. My version is 16.17.0. If you have installed the latest version, you will be getting this new version. Then with this you can even start numpy, it's num version. Check this as well. So yeah, you can see mine 8.15.0. So please do install all these two things. If you have doubt in installing num, even this you can see here. Just go to your browser, whatever the browser you are using. Just click num npm install Here you can see a documentation, npm install documentation, just a code version. Get started. You will see how to set up npm accounts, what are the npm accounts, and all these things you will be getting here. So just if you have good time, you just go through all these documents so that you can come to know what's npm exactly is and all these things. Okay, so once everything is done in setting this node.js and all, we need to integrate uh, React as well. We'll just click here, React.js, download, installation. In the first link you can see installation and all. So here you see npx create. So there are two things, npm and npx. Npm is a global creator and npx is a creator which creates only in your one particular file. So let's create a new application by using npx. We just go to the Virtual Studio Code. Just a second, I just want to change the screen. So here at the top you can see file editor, session, view, go, run, terminal, and click on terminal, new terminal. So yeah, here you can just paste the code that we have copied. Sorry, this is not the code. Npx create React app. Oh, sorry, I forgot to give the name. Let's create React app and name like be my app. My god. Okay, npx space create React app space my app. So this is a line of code. Once we give this line of code, it's gonna create you an application. So here it started creating a new React app. So you can see here few folders are coming up. So before that, actually we have to select a folder where it has to be created. So I'm just canceling this. Let's go with and select a folder first. You can create folder anywhere you choose, like go to the desktop, create a folder. I'm naming live for this, and here open a virtual code. So once you got here, the same process, terminal, new terminal, npx create React app, my app. Yeah, I gave this as my app. You can give any name. With that particular name, the app gonna create and enter. So it's gonna take few minutes time. So it should get all the files. Till the time I just show you. You can say on my uh, left side of the screen we have nothing. Here you see my app has been created. So here if you just open the app, few uh, folders, few JSON files and all other things will be started here. It will be creating for us. Once everything is done, we're gonna start. Just wait a while. Let's get started. Yeah, till it get completes. Let's and to run a React application, so actually you need a Google tool, which is an extension. So the extension is Google Developer Tool. You can just search the extension of a Google tool. This will be even the tool link will be posted in the comments. You can just go through the link and you can activate that. You have to uh, connect. You have to connect the you have to use this particular link that has been posted in the chat box. Use the chat box link and activate this particular extension to your Chrome account. Soon you will be getting. So you see it's gonna take a long time because here you can see a module node modules has been started getting installed. So this line of code gonna do all the things whatever the things we needed, and the code, just give me a sec. You're gonna get the code in the comment section, to which all the codes like installation of React, installation of uh, Node.js and virtual code, all the things will be coming up in the recording. Yeah, so you can see all the links were popping up on the chat box. These are the links that I have used. So to download Node.js, we are at Virtual Studio, and the last one is React Developer Tool, which is an extension to the Chrome. So please do install all these things. And yeah, so here we are done. You can see it's successful. So this is how it's gonna start. It gave you few folders like public, src, add modules, node modules, all the files were given here. So the line code that we wrote, npx, here you can, this line of code, npx create react app, and this is the command. Npx create react app is a command, and my app is a folder name, like what app name. You can think like it's an app name. So let's, and okay, now we're gonna install few extensions in virtual studio as well. To install those extensions, you have to click here, the extensions, or you can even click Control Shift X, click here, and you can search the extensions like Thunder Client. So here, Thunder Client, you can just click on install, it will be installed automatically, and will be set up. Then we have React. We need a live server so that we can host this. It's an extension, live server. It takes yeah, this is the live server. You have to just install this. I have already installed, so it's like uninstalled for me. Go for you, it will be like install. You can install the live server. Please do check this particular logo, because there are lots of live servers and codes. We need this particular one. What it does is, it whatever the code that we're gonna write, it gonna connect with the servers, live server. It's like uh internet for us, compiler and all. Then we need auto rename tags. It helps us to automate it. Automatically renames the paired HTML and XML tags. Like if we give dev, it automatically completes slash dev, all these things, the end parts and all. So here you can see this one, it completes this. And I'm gonna tell you few more extensions as well. Don't worry, please do continue with me, and you will be getting all the things. This one, this is the extension, one more you have to install. So what it does is, it's like an like it allows auto completion of code in React.js. In such a way, you have to install all these things. So I have showed, so what are the things that you have to install? I'm gonna just repeat them. One is Thunder Client. So it helps us in the API testing. Like we have other things also for testing APIs like Postman and all, but it helps us to test internal APIs in this only. Then one more thing, which is ES7 React, uh, this it which helps us to complete auto completing the code. Then auto rename tag, which help us to pair HTML and XML tags and all. And live servers, it's allows visualize our static page by opening the page in the with a live server, which mean if we click on start, it gonna compile that and gives a final result on a Chrome. So these are the few extensions that we're gonna use. That's very useful. Then yeah, let's close. Let's go to my app folder and open this again. Just let me open that. So yeah, I'm gonna show one more thing. So to open Virtual Studio in the place where we have all these things, right? Just, I'm gonna show you how can we do that. Oh, why it's getting like this? Let me close this. Open it again. And sorry for the inconvenience caused, because I have to change lots of folders, front and back, lots of tabs, so it's getting in that way. Yeah. So in this, our desktop, we have live. Yeah. So this is the app that we have just created. To open Virtual Studio from here, if you wanna direct this, just click on your right click here, you can see open code, open with code, and click there. That will helps you to open the folder in a virtual code. I'm gonna show you again. You have to change that to virtual studio code. It's not we need actually. So we are here in my app folder directly. So just I have showed you how can we open. Just go to the file where it is, right click, open with code, and you will be getting this particular page. Yeah. So here back we are. So I showed you 4 extensions. All these 4. Once it's done, in this, let's run the application for this is gonna be your first React application. How it's gonna come, I'm gonna just show you that. Open the terminal. What are the to run, to install, all these things we're gonna use terminal. Argument not from signal or one source codes. It's just a confusing running multiple lines of code. What the server is. I guess there is a bit problem with my system because it's not allowing me to run the code. Just give me a sec. I'm gonna resolve that. Let us start it again. npm start. Yep, it started. So npm start. Once we click on npm start, it's gonna start the server as we have installed our domain and all. Yep. So server started. This VS code. Okay. 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 Right. Just I'm gonna show you how to do that again. Just text me what error is coming. App is not being created. Okay. What first? So once it start running, the output is This is how it's gonna come once we run the application. This is the default layout that was given by the React. To learn more about React, so let's change this text for now. A simple code. Learn with smarter. And so once we click on run with smarter, we just edited the name. We haven't changed anything. It will be automatically updated here. You can see learn with smarter. It's automatic. I'm just editing the code and it's automatically taking these changes. Like if I just give you here, save the reload. Just gonna give learn with smarter. Hello all. You can see hello all. It's so it's like it's not refreshing. You can see here it's not even refreshing. And what are the changes that I'm gonna do here in the code? It will be directly reflecting here. If you see this, I'm gonna just break it. Uh, I'm gonna give like hello all. Please do like the video and push to my energy for the next boot camp. Yeah, so you can see here I it's not reloading but even it's getting everything here. So this is the one of the best part of React.js because it has it, as I mentioned in the starting video, it's a single page application where there will be no loadings and all. And yeah, let's go with some comments and the errors that you are getting. Sir, what are you doing in the back? It is not visible. Okay, it's nothing. I'm just editing a folder in src src app.js. I'm just editing there and you are getting this. Okay, I guess I have splitted my screen, but it's not visible to you. Yep, sorry guys, sorry for the inconvenience that you have faced. It's due to some internet issue. Now it's clear. So yeah, so what I was been doing is I'm just changing up code here. Mm, So here I'm just changing this line of code without refreshing, without reloading and all. You can see you have just saw the changes. What are the changes that I have done so far? So this is how it gonna work. Okay, this is what we call as single page application. There will be no reloadings. There will be no reloadings. There will be uh, no refreshers and all these things. It will be one time. It's gonna load once, and all the other things, whatever we're gonna do in the application, it will be done by the Node.js. Sorry, JavaScript. Okay. So this is the main folder where we're gonna do things. Okay. Then let's come to the comments that we have, and let's clear their doubts. Mm, yep. That's, just give me a sec. Let me keep this with. Yeah. Let's. So I just saw that. Yeah. Thank you for your patience, and thanks for being here. Yeah. Yep. So I see one comment that someone is facing issue with the Virtual Studio. Can you just recommend who is facing the issue with the Virtual Studio and all, so that I can assist you what exactly you are facing, and how can you solve that? Roshni, you will be getting today only certificate, no issues. I guess there are lots of people sending to send everyone. Maybe you may missed, but no issues. We check the database, and if your attendance and other all things are okay, then you will be receiving the certificate by today itself. No comments. Okay, tell me how many of you in this when we got issue with the internet, how many of you thought let's wind up? No comments. Attendance, sir. Yeah, you will get the link. uh 4 more minutes, you're gonna get the link. It's today start, or yeah, from today we're gonna start the attendance. Yeah, you will get the attendance link. Yeah, you will get that attendance link. You will get. May I know your comments on today's session? So no comments, huh, for today's session. Yeah, please ignore that internet issue. Apart that, is it informative, or it's, what do you feel about the session? Uh, Thank you for the session. Thank you. Continue the class till 8 o'clock. Sure. I learn new things. Okay, great, sir. Thank you. The Java free course available, or Not available, sir. Yeah, it's available. So actually, just comment me in the chat section, comment section, so that I can plan my next section, next boot camp on the whatever you're gonna comment me. What go if the more comments on which course, I'm gonna take that course in my next live boot camp. Slow starter and can be more elaborated, sir. Okay, nice, sir. And new things. Okay, okay. When the issue was raised, but I was eager waiting for the section. Thank you. Thank you for the session, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Attendance link. Yeah, you will be getting the attendance link. No issues. Interesting, sir. I learned something new. Okay, great. Okay, just give me a sec. Let me check with my team about the attendance and all. Please do teach us about blockchain. Hey, only one member commenting blockchain. Okay, blockchain. Okay, sure. I consider it. W blockchains. CAD course. See, I have no idea about CAD, but I can teach you SolidWorks if you are okay with. Mhm. Because while I'm learning CAD, I was absent from the college. By the way, you know what stream is? I'm I'm from aeronautical. Yeah. Is there any use of attendance or yeah? Based on your attendance, you will be getting a certificate of boot that you have attended this particular boot camp and all. This was really interactive and thank you. Java. Okay, okay, Java attendance link. You will get the attendance link. Add electronic. Well, college placement. Yeah, you will be getting college play. No, I can't give you guarantee. But yeah, if you complete the course React.js, definitely you're gonna get a good place in a good MNC companies because React.js is one of the best leading and engaging platform. Uh, yeah, if you're gonna take the course, you can see on the screen the website. Just go there and opt for your favorite course, and from there you will be getting your uh, placement guidance from my team. So yeah, and if you go to the website, you can see there are few courses which are connected with Microsoft. We're gonna get you Microsoft certifications as well. Yeah. Okay. These courses are directly delivered from one of experts, industrial experts, and by the end of these courses, you will be having an exam. By getting 75% in the exam, you will be getting a certificate directly from Microsoft. Yeah, my team is amazing. I know. Thank you. Yeah. So where I'm. Uh, these certificates are directly from Microsoft. That you will be getting a good validation for that all over the world wherever you go. After React.js, what's that? After iteration, what should I learn? So if you complete React.js completely from scratch from the beginning, and you are being an expert in React.js, I think there is it's okay to get a placement. Then you have to, according to your job curriculum, what according to your job preference, you have to update yourself. See, software engineering or software job is something that you have to update every single time. Every single time, if there are lots of courses coming up, every month you will be getting. So for every, I can't tell you every month, but every time you will be getting new courses. You will be getting new languages. Update yourself. So there is no end to learn, particularly in software jobs. It's wonderful to hear. Thank you. Attendance. Yeah. Here you go. All the same link pop upping all the times. You just fill the attendance. Any more doubts? I must want to mention one thing. Today's session was really amazing for me because I can see lots of views, lots of likes. Uh, PHP or better you go with the required one. Actually, both are amazing. If you are okay with Python, go with the other one. If you are okay with PHP, go with the PHP. Attendance link, it has been posted. Please be active. And yeah, so thank you for liking this video, and I hope if you subscribe, it will be more interesting also. Subscribe, please do subscribe the channel now. Okay, so on the one of the viewer, Miss Janavi, she asked for streaker. So here you go, Janavi. Only for you, we are just getting him online. All the best.
So hi guys, very good evening to each and everyone who attended this webinar. I mean this bootcamp. So this is Streaker. So I'm a co-founder of Smarted company. So guys, we have seen a very good, very good viewers who attended this session of bootcamp and everything. So I wanted to be each and every person need to be subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. You'll be getting each and every updates in our YouTube channel. And we also as one of your viewer asked us to post the installation of process as we done the last time. So I think my Roshni have posted that. So Roshni will be also doing that 5 minutes installation process of this video of React.JS as well. You'll be getting by tomorrow, by end of the date, by end of tomorrow. So that each and every person, please do subscribe the channel so that you'll be getting each and every update to your accounts as soon as we update the videos. It will be very helpful to you guys. So be stable for next 5 days. Learn some new different skills in the React.js, and get a good certification from us. It will be very useful to you and very useful to us as well. So I hope so. The first day of this React.js bootcamp was very good find to each and every student who have attended, and I'm wishing that same thing to be each and every student need to be presented live next 4 days as well. So as of today, we are wind upping the session. Thanks for joining. Thanks to each and every person who have joined the session.